I know. Hi T Quilters, it's T with T Quilts, and I'm here at AQS Quilt Show in Paducah, Kentucky. And I'm showing you this new automated system. It's called the Juki Automated Quilting System. And you can now put some brands of machines onto this automated system, and it doesn't have to be, of course, your home sewing machines don't have stitch regulation. So this is how the system will look set up. It will go on any frame. And the stitching is beautiful. You can change stitch length, number of stitches per inch, all of that inside of the program. And we've got it stitching at 10, which I normally stitch at 30 speed on my machines. When you're at a quilt show, we slow everything down so that we can save space for quilting. And if you're interested in this product, I'm gonna switch you over to Mike, and he's gonna show you where you can get it.
Thank you, T. Come on down to Paducah. We're in booth 4207 and 09. And if you can't make it to Paducah, you can give us a call at MLQ Enterprises, Memory Lane Quilting at 440. I'm sorry, I don't even know my own phone number. 330-468-2831.
Thank you, Mike.
Look forward to talking to you.
Thanks.